Hi, I'm Angus from Highlands Nordic, and in this video we're going to talk about glide waxing. Any ski, whether it's a waxless ski, whether it's a skin ski, whether it's a waxable classic ski, or whether it's a skate ski, needs to be glide waxed. The gliding portions is what we're going to deal with. So the reason to glide wax a ski is that it really improves the skiing experience, and it also helps to protect the base. So how do we know when to glide wax? On this ski, you can see that the area, and this often happens right behind the heel, is started to go gray and this dust starts to appear. When you see that, that's oxidization happening in the base, and this base is dry and is in need of a glide wax. Okay, so as we start, we're going to take our fine metal brush, and we're just going to run that brush from tip to tail along the ski, long passes, and we're just opening up the pores of the ski. We're cleaning any dirt that might be on that ski and making sure that we're ready for the application of the glide wax. The next step is to use the base wax. In this case, we've got the Vouty Pure line of waxes. These are new waxes that have no fluorocarbons in them. And what we do is we take the base wax and we just dab the applicator sponge and we run that down the whole length of this skate ski. If I was doing a classic ski, I would just do this on the tips and tails. And now I'm going to let that dry for 20 minutes. It is now dried, and we're ready to take our natural cork, and we're just going to put a little bit of pressure. And as we do this, applying a little bit of pressure down the ski, what this is going to do is it's going to help to get the base wax to adhere to the ski. So I can go in both directions, doesn't matter. Just putting a little bit of pressure in. So now that our base wax is dry and has been corked in, we can move on to selecting the temperature wax of the day. So for a cold day, I'm going to use this one. It's -2 to -20 degrees Celsius. Just like the base wax, comes with a sponge applicator. The same steps as we did before. Allow that to fill. Just run it down the length of the ski. And now we'll just let that dry for 20 minutes. And then we'll cork it in just as we did with our base wax. So now that we've corked that wax in, what we're going to do next is we're going to take our nylon brush and we're just going to polish this ski. That's going to take any leftover wax that's just sitting on the top of the ski, and it's going to brush it out and leave the rest of the wax in the base material, and that's what we want to glide on. Just looks like this. And that ski is done. One of the real nice things about this is that you have very little waste, you've got very little mess to clean up afterwards. So, how long is this wax job going to last? Well, we're probably going to get about 50 kilometers out of our base wax. If the temperature changes, for example, it's gone from a really cold temperature where we use that blue wax, and now it's only -2, and I haven't yet done 50 kilometers, I can just take this temperature wax and just apply it right over top, cork it in, and brush it out, just as I did without redoing the base wax. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, or stop by Highlands Nordic and talk to us in person. We're always happy to talk about skis. So from the gang at Highlands, we look forward to seeing you on the trails.